Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Esther Omorin. On this channel we solve quantitative reasoning questions. Alright, so if you're struggling or you just want to understand how to solve quantitative reasoning questions, then you are at the right place. Do not forget to share this video, hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when we drop new videos. Alright, so looking at the question we have today, all right, just like in every other quantitative reasoning question, the first thing we do is to establish a similar pattern that applies to all the examples, and then we can use that to solve the questions that follow. All right, so we actually achieve this by looking at the basic mathematics concepts: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. All right, so I'm going to start with addition. So 10 plus 5 is not 45. 2 plus 12 is not 19. So addition is definitely out. All right. Even though it may be applied at the second stage, but it's definitely not at the first stage. Remember that to solve quantitative reasoning questions, in most cases, two concepts are applied to get the answer. It could be addition and also addition. It could be addition and subtraction. It could be addition and multiplication. It could be multiplication and division. It could be square roots and addition, and so on and so forth. In most cases, it's usually a combination of this basic concept. All right, so plus is already out at the first stage. It could be used later, well, until we get there. All right, so the next sign is minus. 10 minus 5 definitely is not 45, so it's also out at the first stage. All right, we proceed to multiplication. 10 times 5 is 50, and then the answer here is 45. Okay, but if I take away 5 from 50, my answer is 45. Okay, let's see if it's going to answer the other questions too, or if it's similar in the other examples. All right, 2 times 12 is 24, minus 5, wow, 19. Okay, that's it. 12 times 3 is 36, minus 5, 31. 13 times 5 is 65, minus 5, 60. Perfect. It means at the first level is multiplication, and at the second level it is subtraction. That's just how to get the answer. All right, so let's use that knowledge now to solve question number 1, 2, and 3. For number 1, all right, we have the two numbers, all right, and then we don't have the answer. Remember, the first step is multiplication and then subtraction by 5. Note that this pattern works because what we are subtracting from the answer is constant. All right, we are taking out 5 from the answer, which is constant for all of them. Note, your pattern must be similar. It must flow through all of them. It shouldn't just work for some, it should work for all the examples before you can use it. For number 1, we have 3 asterisk 7. So I'm going to ask myself, what is 3 times 7? Remember, times, then minus 5. Okay, so 3 times 7 is 21, and 21 minus 5 gives us 16. So the answer to number 1 is 16. For number 2, question mark asterisk 6 gives 49. Remember, we're going to go from the answer now to the question. So I will say 49 plus 5. This is the opposite now. I will add 5 to 49, and I'm going to have 54. Once I have 54, I'm going to ask myself, what can I multiply by 6 to have 54? And if you check that, the answer is 9. All right, so that is for number 2. And for number 3, we have 8 asterisk question mark equals 51. So I'm going to add 5 to 51 to have 56. And then I will ask myself, what can I multiply by 8 to give me 56? If you check that out, you'll realize that the answer to that is 7. So basically, that is how to solve this particular question. All right. Note the first step is multiplication, and then you subtract 5 from the answer. When you're going from the answer to the question, you add the opposite now. You add 5, and then you find out what you can multiply with the available number to have the answer. All right. So that's how we can solve this question. Okay, don't forget to like this video, drop your comments, and share this video with your friends. Please share this video as much as you can. And most importantly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We drop videos on this channel every now and then. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. The name of my channel is Esther Umoren. Alright, so when you hit a button, for every video we drop, you will be notified. Alright, we also have a WhatsApp group where we answer your questions for free. You will find the link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Share, and share.